300 grams Rich Tea Biscuits. Break the biscuits into small pieces. Let's prepare a bain-marie. 150 grams unsalted butter. 200 grams cooking chocolate. Melt over a low heat. Add 1 egg yolk and mix well. Mix the biscuits with the melted chocolate. I'll be using baking parchment, but you can also use foil. Place the mixture onto the baking parchment. Roll it up neatly into a log shape. Pinch the ends tightly to keep it compact. Chill in the fridge for 3 hours. Sprinkle with crushed biscuits. Enjoy!